Hi guys, into the what is happening? Okay, anyways, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get the Just Toasty jacket because he just came out with the code and it's only here until Wednesday, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, guys. Anyways, I haven't even claimed it yet, so I'm making the video right away. Okay. So, anyways, you want to go ahead, hit prog, go to promo.exe, type in Toasty space. The space is important. Jacket. Let's go. And now I should, if I'm not mistaken, have the Just Toasty jacket. And guys, it's insane because I actually ordered this in real life. As you can see, the whole toasty fit right here, my guy. Actually, bro, what? You guys see how laggy it is? Actually, you know what, guys? I bet you if I went and did this, it'd be the Just Toasty outfit. I could get it, but I don't really want to. Ooh, so laggy. Okay, guys, well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Uh, Hopefully this is helpful to you. If you guys really want this, I guess I'm really laggy, but see you guys next one. Peace.